Welcome to the Learning Studio, where we explore the legal forces shaping industries, lives, and futures. In today's episode of our law series, we enter a world of stadiums, contracts, video games, and billion-dollar deals, sports and gaming law. To dive deeper into more legal topics, check out the full law series playlist linked in the video description below. What happens when a footballer breaks a contract mid-season? Who owns the rights to a globally streamed esports tournament? Can betting companies sponsor national teams? Welcome to the legal battleground where athletic talent meets corporate interests and pixels are protected like property. Sports and gaming law is where competition, business, and law collide. What is sports and gaming law? Sports and gaming law is a specialized field that governs athlete contracts and endorsements, team ownership and league regulations, anti-doping rules and fair play policies, broadcasting and media rights, esports and online game licensing, gambling and sports betting laws, player rights, injuries, and disputes. It combines contract law, intellectual property, labor law, tort law, and international regulations, making it one of the most multidisciplinary legal areas today. Historical background. While ancient games had codes of conduct, modern sports law emerged in the 20th century, driven by rising professionalism, commercialization, and international tournaments like the Olympics and FIFA World Cup. Gaming law evolved more recently as digital games, online streaming, and virtual economies introduced new legal challenges, ranging from copyright to digital addiction and loot box regulations. Today, sports and gaming law are both billion-dollar ecosystems governed by complex global and national legal frameworks. Famous case study, Bosman ruling, Court of Justice 1995. Jean-Marc Bosman, a Belgian footballer, challenged the rules that restricted player transfers between clubs in Europe. The European Court of Justice ruled that such restrictions violated the EU's freedom of movement. The Bosman ruling transformed global football, enabling free transfers for players at the end of their contracts and giving athletes more control over their careers. This case showcases how legal victories can change the business of sports forever. Gaming law, more than just play. In gaming, law now addresses copyright for game developers, streaming and monetization rights for YouTubers and Twitch creators, online gambling and loot box regulation, data privacy and user protection, esports player contracts and league governance. Gaming law is now a critical legal domain, especially with the rise of virtual reality, metaverse platforms, and AI-powered games. Why it matters today. With global tournaments, betting platforms, digital games, and influencer marketing reshaping sports and gaming, this law protects the rights of players, developers, and fans, the integrity of competitions, the financial and reputational interests of brands, the legal structure behind billion-dollar deals and sponsorships. What's next? If you're passionate about sports, media, tech, or entertainment, sports and gaming law offers a dynamic, fast-evolving legal career path. In the next episodes, we'll explore cyber law, space law, and tax law, each unlocking a different legal frontier. You're watching The Learning Studio, and this is the Law Series, where passion meets precision and play meets the rulebook.